Financial shock, wake-up call. Hey, finance warriors. Today, we're blowing the lid off the shocking truth about money. Ever wonder why so many people struggle with money? Get ready for a reality check. Segment 1, the cost of ignorance. Did you know, X% of people have zero savings? Let's reveal the price tag of financial cluelessness. Segment 2, debt disaster. Debt isn't just a number. It's a dream crusher. Discover the scary truth behind the debt trap. Segment 3, take control. But there's hope. Learn practical tips to take charge of your money and build your financial fortress. Conclusion. Stay savvy.